Today I was listening to All In, Hate Listening, that All In podcast, and I found myself agreeing with what they were saying, which is rare. And I don't know that they actually believe in what they're saying, because watch their actions, not their words. But they were basically saying they don't want to see AI under government regulatory capture. I actually agree with that. I think trusting the government to make the right decisions and to be quick enough to really control AI is probably a non-starter. Like I wouldn't trust the government right now to make many decisions for anyone. It's terrible. And two, and that's just the US government, let alone other governments. And two, they were saying they don't really trust the owners of AI companies to make the right decisions either. 100%. I don't trust Sam Altman. I don't trust Dario Amodei. I don't trust anybody who has trillions of dollars, Elon Musk, anyone who has trillions of dollars of upside if they can keep control of the world's AI. It's fucked. That is not okay. And I agree with the Pope on that. So what do? Well, I actually agree that the main thing you can do is to support open source, to go with open weight models, and to build systems that are not under the control of any one person. And so like within the CTO group that I talked to, everyone is really concerned about the same problem, and they're looking for ways of not getting in bed with either Anthropic or OpenAI. What can we do? Are the open source models good enough? And I think for a lot of things they are. They're just missing certain toolings. They're missing fit and finish on the harnesses. So that's what I'd like to do with Kelsus right now, is jump into the open source AI world, help enterprises navigate this. Maybe they still do use frontier models for certain things, but we can build tooling around making sure that as the open source models become good enough, they can quickly switch, or they can even switch as decisions are made, depending on basically the capability and the thing that the model is being used for. This is something that we absolutely can do. We understand how to do infrastructure as code. We understand how to run models on EC2 instances, or even in like ECS, like we can run them in Kubernetes with EKS. This is something that I think our development skills still help with, but this idea of building the systems around open source AI models, and not trying to, so the guys on All In were saying, we've invested in these companies that are building these open source harnesses. Like, this is, no one can get enough of it. And I'm like, yeah, no, we're not trying to build a product here. We're trying to build a solution provider. Like, what I mean by that is, everybody in the AI future is going to need something custom. We are helping people customize the things that they need. This is every company understanding that it is distinct and different, and there is no one SaaS product that is going to solve the problems of its individual customers well enough in the future to be an install it and use it thing. Like, everything needs to be customized. We are going to help companies customize their infrastructure, their solutions around open weight models.